Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2010 Mercedes B200 CDI in metallic black finish with a 17-inch of Mercedes alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels are in good condition and the exterior is in fantastic condition. Let me show you the size of the boot. I got my stuff in there. It's got split folding rear seats and a luggage cover. And the front view of the vehicle. It's got front forks, the interior of the vehicle is a full leather with 5 headrests. It's got ISOFIX for child seat preparation. And for your safety, it's got front and side airbags. And we have the side airbags on the side of the seats. Speakers on the rear doors. And a child lock as well. So here we have the electric windows and mirrors. The leather is in very good condition. It's got auto headlights also. Once we step in, as you can see, it's got a automatic transmission. Multifunctional steering wheel, a cruise control, heated seats, air conditioning with a climate control, AM/FM radio and a DVD changer. Satellite navigation with the traffic informations as well. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. As I said, it's got a DVD changer, which means you can watch DVD movies on the screen. So let me show you more things. It's got auxiliary media interface, which I believe they are under the armrest. Not really, it's got adjustable armrest, no storage under it, and some cup holder in the middle, 12-volt power outlet and some storage department. And the media interface, I believe, is gonna be in the glove box somewhere. There we have the locking wheel nut and the user manual. The music register is a hard drive for your music where you can store your music. It's got a 4 GB of free memory. Auto rear view dimming mirror. This was the video walk around of the 2010 Mercedes B200 CDI. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.